You already know what time it is. You know it's what I'm giving her. So I tripped and fell in Sephora yet again. I went in there for cleanser, came out with primer, lip scrubs, lip balms, a new foundation. So let's just look at what I got. And I'm kind of just now getting into Stranger Things for the first time. I don't know where I've been, what different dimension I've been in. Corny, I know, whatever. In this video, I'm trying all the stuff that I found. Like I got a new primer. We got, it's gone now. The Pro Kissers from Fenty Beauty. The Moschino palette I finally tried. Get into it. I finally found my shade and learned what my undertone was as far as the COVERFX foundation. But other than that, girl, you know, if you want to see me gag at Stranger Things, this is the video for you. If you wanted to know if the primer was that girl or not, this is the video for you. I'm late. I'm supposed to be where I'm supposed to be like an hour ago. I'm running late. First things first. Stranger Things.
The night that Benny died, Earl said he saw some kid with a shaved head with Benny. For Will.
Ciao. I like this show. Like I stated in the beginning, we got a bunch of new things. Not a bunch, but I got a few things from Sephora. I had to go to Sephora because I ran out of my superfood cleanser. Somebody got mad, pissed, had a robbery. Mother's Day just passed. I don't know. Something happened, but no Sephora. I went to 4 Sephoras today. I'm lying. It felt like 4, but I went to 2. I ended up buying other stuff, looking for one thing. True Sephora fashion, you slip and fall into other shit. So I found other stuff. I'm going to try Hydro Grip Primer, hemp derived cannabis extract. Unless I get high, as soon as it touches my skin, I'm taking it back. I'm joking. And I exchanged out my COVERFX foundation for a neutral undertone. Instead of the pink undertone one that I was matched with online, I went for neutral instead because that was like too red. And I think I'm neutral because I went back and tried to look to see what my undertones were, and like at Fenty Beauty they had like this chart that Rihanna's stand came with, because I was asking little girls around there, how do you know your undertones? And it was like, should I set you up with a makeup artist? And makeup artists are giving I'm not busy. It was just not a good experience. I'm 470, and according to Fenty Beauty, that is a neutral undertoned foundation. So I figured out myself that I'm more neutral. I may be cool, who knows, but neutral is what I picked up. Our damn showing red undertone. That's what I do know for sure. Rihanna also came out with like a lip scrub. It's called Pro Kisser. It's a lip loving scrub stick, and I think that this is going to be perfect for scrubbing off the dead skin before I use my lipstick later. It says to swipe over the lips in a back and forth motion, then wipe off. It comes in her little, her signature tube, which we love. Love how she always has FB engraved in the beginning of all her stuff. And I also got Hint Hint, which is a Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. Comes in a different kind of tube, but it's a wand. Like it's a lip gloss. Cute, right? So I'm gonna just start with this joint. It's like Blistex and Carmex had a baby. Not too glossy, but definitely nourishing. Really, if Blistex and Carmex had a baby, if the fighting stopped and they just came together as one, that's what this little lip balm that Rihanna came up with. I like it. Lips are moisturized. It's time to have some fun. We're gonna start with the Milk Makeup Primer. It's like gel. It feels definitely hydrating, like cooling touch as soon as you put it on. I always want to put the Tatcha primer on top of everything I do, and I feel like I need to just trust the primer and see how it behaves. Let's see what it's supposed to do. Blend a thin layer onto thin skin before makeup application. Allow formula 1 minute to fully absorb and activate grip. Yeah, I do feel that I had to wait a little second before jumping in. Like a plump feeling to my skin. It feels nice. I ain't gonna front. It feels nice. Feels tacky. You feel me? It feels tacky. I'm gonna give it a minute. Stranger Things. Somebody say something. I'm sorry. I gotta get ready. I'm so dramatic when I find a new show. Okay, so boom. I like the way it felt. $15 for this size. Can't go wrong with trying it. Now it doesn't feel as tacky. I think it all set in. Let's see how my brows glide on this, and then we'll tell. Brows are doing just fine. I'm so scared to try this primer by itself, but the girls gotta know, because it will go what? Right about that. Okay, brows had no issue getting in line. They shook hands. The primer and my eyebrows definitely had a peace treaty. Okay. Do you have a complaint? Cause I don't. Now let's see if I got the right color. Cause you know Sephora lighting is a liar. Okay? I feel like they changed the light on purpose just so you can come back. Here we go, child. Let me go. Okay. No Touch of Silk Canvas Primer. See. Absolutely better. That's what that's what the fuck I'm talking about. God. That's what I'm talking about. And this primer, girl. This primer is snatching up the foundation like whatever that thing is in Stranger Things. As soon as I watch a new show, I start making all kinds of references. Look at the foundation match. Look at the foundation match. This is what I signed up for. This is the girl I signed up for the meet and greet. Oh, yes. 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 I'm so sorry to Rihanna for finding this right foundation. I still find other things from you, girl, but oh my God. Is this the one or the two? Like, somebody tell me. Correct me if I'm wrong though. Okay, how we feel about the base? If you have a complaint, take your ass to Hawkins, okay? Okay. We all know how this part goes. Milk Makeup ain't had nothing that was marketed to me that made me think like, I need you. Milk Makeup is a very much like go-see kind of makeup. Like, you know, for the girls that are on the go doing go-sees and castings, they just need something underneath their eye. For me, if I am doing my makeup, I am going for the kill. I'm going for the one, not the two. You know, I don't really need makeup. It's just fun to like, you know, transform, you feel me? Milk Makeup doesn't really provide that kind of experience, but they done did something with this primer. I don't know who y'all thought I was, cause I don't even know. I started learning less is more when I do underneath. This primer and foundation combo, she won an Oscar. I forgot to pick up more sponges that I like to set my makeup with, but y'all won because I didn't really mind the way my makeup turned out when I used my beauty blender. I'm confused as to why they not one telling their mother what they saw. I mean, I'm happy they're not telling the feds what they saw, but why are they just keeping this to themselves? I'm confused. If I walked into another dimension with my little brother's best friend's older brother whose brother went missing, if I walked into an altered dimension, I'm not going to sleep. One, I need a spliff stat. They in high school. I definitely smoked sophomore year high school. What did I smoke? And they walk around toting gas. Like, what the heck? Like, I don't understand. They walked into another dimension. She saw a whole monster. What do I do? Lord Jesus help me. I'm a bronze. These they moving like Scooby-Doo and crew.
Remember at Steve's when Brad cut herself? And then last night, the deer, that's one drop of blood in a million. And they can smell it from a quarter mile away.
It found Bob because she was bleeding.
Hi, Scott Clark?
Yes.
The same Scott Clark who teaches science and AB.
Oh no! Don't shoot the science teacher. If they shoot this poor science teacher, Lord Jesus, for my God, for my body, I can't sit down with this your blood clot anxiety. Jesus Christ. I need to take a break. Okay, so y'all know I love the bronzer now because look at that. I look like it's 3 in the afternoon on June, but it's really 11:11 at night. Look at my Anastasia Beverly Hills package. It's on its last leg. It wants me to like break up with her so bad, but I'm toxic, girl. I ain't breaking up with you. Also, I need to wash my brushes. But that's another toxic relationship for another day. Elena asked me to wear something sparkly or shimmery. I have nothing in my closet that fits that description. But I do have some Swarovski crystals I think I'm gonna put underneath my eye for an eye look. What do I need to do now? Set my face? Yes. Pressing play.
She said it wasn't safe. She just must have because this is because she wanted to protect us. She betrayed us. Like, calm down. Shouldn't have yelled at us.
Oh, she holding her wig, child. At least she know the value of a good wig. Go 11. Put on that yaki, baby. Ooh, it needs to be brushed. Ooh, it's hovering. Yeah, take it off. Sorry, I'm gonna take a break. Let me go get my, I gotta get something. I forgot what it is, but I'll get it. I dropped the palette. Okay. I broke Y2K. I mean, I broke a color I don't really care about, so there's that. I could have put the names underneath. Joystick. This like, Harry, this purple. Stick with the green. Nope. Nope. Maybe I should try this little periwinkle purple first. Okay, let me get with the purple real quick. Okay. I just look like I need Jesus, but it's okay. Very dark skin friendly palette. Okay, bitches. I should have put tape underneath so I know how to better apply, but this is my first time enjoying it. Enjoying it, enjoying it, enjoying it, enjoying it. Okay. Alright. This is what we're ending with. Okay, yeah. Just a wee bit of practice I can get things going. All in all, at the end of the day, the primer, we're gonna see how it performs like at the end of the night and stuff like that. Well, I'm gonna see, and I'll let y'all know in a different video how it storms for me, or by the end I'll just type in right here how it went for me at the end of the night, or I'll put a little clip in. Milk Hydro primer, grip primer. Yeah, it definitely gripped. It definitely moved like some Africans when they trying to get your edges to cornrow, period. Like, this was great. The palette had a lot of pigment in it. I wasn't expecting me to like be able to have that stuff show up on my skin, like the eyeshadow show up on my skin without having to like set my eyelids or put concealer on it, because I did none of that, like, and the color showed up mad vibrant. I guess it's a good start off palette if you know it's summertime and you want to like get to know eyeshadow. For me, it looks like it's gonna be a nice little learning palette. I liked both of the Pro Kissers, both with fire, and the COVERFX foundation, a beautiful match made in heaven. I loved everything. But anyway, thank you for watching. As always, you didn't have a choice because I'm taking the world by storm. Definitely went and found me a choker, no shade. I always find a way to like change my outfit on the way out the door. Of course, I like to find things that make me more late. That is my forte. Late, you said? Watch this, let me be later. Thank you so much for watching me spiral. Come back soon, okay? This time again next week now. See? So, this video, we just talk about what kind of energy we want to have this summer. You can see where I'm going. You see what you see where I'm trying to give this summer, okay?